Hey guys, in today's video, I'll share with you how to choose the best Shopify theme for your store. Now, in the home page of your Shopify, navigate the online store and then tap Themes. Just scroll down and head to Explore More Theme section and then tap Visit Theme Store. Now, in the themes page, you can filter out the industry or niche of your store, like for example, the clothing. Then after that, you can also evaluate the budget you want to spend, or you can also select the free themes for your store. Now, this is the important thing to consider in choosing the best theme is by checking the reviews. Now, you can look for the theme with highest or positive reviews. Like for example, this one, it has a 50% of positive reviews. So you can select this. Then after that, tap Try Theme. Now, in Theme Library, just tap Customize the theme. So in here, we can test and customize the demo theme. Now, all you have to do is to replace the image, title, and fonts of your store to see if this theme is suitable for your branding. That's all, and if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.